I practice personal injury law in the state of Florida, and typically that is involving people that have been involved in car crashes, if they've been involved in slip and falls, and other incidents where people have been injured as a result of somebody else's fault. You know, from a very young age, I was always intrigued by the concepts of truth and justice, and having this, innate sense that I wanted to right wrongs. You'd see something, some people might not say something, but something else in you that provokes you to say something else, do more. And what was, as I grew up and got older, I learned that attorneys had the ability to advocate and affect change. They have that tremendous responsibility. And so now, since I've been an attorney for some time, I am glad I made the decision that I made. Talk to a lot of attorneys sometimes, and they're not so happy about the decision, but I'm not one of them. It is a rewarding career, both professionally and personally. I like that we're not rattled by the insurance companies and the big corporations. Our firm, we are going to do all that's necessary to achieve the best results for our clients. That means deploying our passion, deploying our resources. We are a larger firm, but you're also going to get the personal attention that each and every client is due. I believe I can be an effective communicator for my clients. When I'm meeting them for the first time, they've sustained injuries, they're in pain, and that has ramifications into their personal life and their professional life. And the legal process can be confusing, and so it is up to me to make sure that I can dissolve that information in a way that they understand, and that allows us to build a trust relationship. One of the first things I tell new clients is to focus on their life and getting better. They may come in and they've got a bunch of problems that they are carrying, and it is my job to come in and say, here, let me take this and put it on my shoulders. One of the struggles that clients face through this process is actually enduring the process. And so it is important that as their attorney, I am keeping in touch with them. I am meeting all of their concerns, answering their questions. Whether you're in the legal process or really anything that is difficult for you, if you've got someone that you can trust, that is walking step in step with you, and that they are guiding you, that is someone that can give you resolve. And that is what I try to deliver to my clients. One of the things I tell people, especially here, people in Florida, is that Florida offers uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. That's something that you can buy in the state of Florida. It's very important to have, because what a lot of folks don't realize is that there are people all over the roads that are not carrying any insurance at all. And unfortunately, if one of them is to cause an accident that you're involved in, there may not be insurance available. Uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage allows you to go to your insurance company and get the compensation that you are entitled to. I am very passionate about each and every single one of my cases, and one of the things I love to do is delve in and investigate. You might be dealing with an insurance company or a big corporation that simply does not want to admit that they're at fault, and that may require hiring experts. It may be tracking down witnesses, but a full-on investigation into your claim to make sure that they accept responsibility. Before I was a personal injury attorney, I worked for the big corporations and the insurance companies. And so one of the things I like to do is at the outset of a case, I like to anticipate exactly everything they're going to do. And that means from day one, formulating a plan so that we can anticipate those challenges and develop solutions. One of the things I obviously love doing is spending time with my family. And right now that consists of my wife, our 2 pups, and our 2 horses. And so we love to go out with our horses all across beautiful Florida and ride in the prairies and enjoy that. Here at Farah Farah, we are involved with numerous organizations that touch the lives of veterans, children and their families, and those with developmental disabilities. Robert Frost said a jury consists of 12 persons chosen to decide who has the better lawyer. If it comes to it, and it appears that going to trial is the best option in your case, you can feel rest assured knowing that there is a talented team of attorneys that will effectively and passionately tell your story. Farah Farah has grown tremendously over the years, and we're a big firm, and that means that we've got the resources to be able to expend, that we won't spare any expense in being able to maximize our clients' recovery. But just because we're a big firm and we have those resources, you're still not going to get lost in the shuffle. You can expect and receive the personal attention that you deserve.